morning everyone. Today we are doing CRISTALLO Arthritis Rollator. We will be doing demo and assembly of it. It is mainly used for arthritis patient. So let's start with opening of the box. So this rollator comes with a body and two brakes, one user manual, one tray, one basket, few screws, and two arm sets. So now to assemble our rollator, we have to push these two legs a bit far behind and like this. This is the lock. You have to make sure that lock is there so that the rollator won't collapse. As this particular rollator is for arthritis patient, this is the armrest where patient can put their arm for the support, specifically made for arthritis patients. So now let's assemble the armrest first. To assemble the armrest, we have to remove this screw like this, keep them aside. Now put the armrest here like this, and you can adjust the height of the armrest as well as per the requirement of the patient. Now let's secure this armrest by tightening this screw. We can also adjust the angle of the arm, and at what angle we want our arm to keep. So now we'll assemble the brake. You can adjust the length of the brake as well as per the patient requirement and arm length. So to tighten the brake, there is one screw. You have to tighten this screw to fix the brake. So now we'll assemble the basket. We just simply have to put the basket like this. And this basket can bear a maximum of 5 kgs. This particular seat is for sitting. Patient can sit over here like this. Or if they are using it in their home, they can put this tray on the seat as well, like this. That's it. And this tray also can be a maximum 5 kgs of weight.